Cheers Lifestyle is here at Naira the Display Gallery और ये उनका लास्ट राखी एडिट है. कलेक्शन में क्या क्या है वो मैम से जानते हैं.
Okay. So in collection we have ethnic collection, something for your western collection, something related to crystals, राखीज तो है ही. कान्हा पोशाक में हम लोग कुछ लेके आए हैं. फिर we have jewelry for नवरात्रि and your festive wear and home decor. Also we have राखीज which are unique, which you will not find anywhere.
Absolutely. और मोर कलेक्शन देखने के लिए आपको पता है क्या करना है. स्वाइप लेफ्ट.
सो ऑन दिस पर्टिकुलर स्टॉल आपको बहुत सुंदर हैंडमेड ज्वेलरी ऑप्शंस मिल जाएंगे. दीज आर फॉर यंग लिटिल गर्ल्स. लुक एट दैट. Along with these bangles, these hair accessories, some more accessories. These are all handmade. So these are customized. Look at that. Then they have handmade rings. Look at that. A lot of options. Something in Hasleys as well. Look at that. Like I said, all this is handmade, beautifully customized, along with some Rakhi options and some more jewelry as well. They have kids Rakhi also. Look at that. Beautiful. Hello Dhara.
Hello.
So Dhara here creates beautiful handmade gifting items, from these fridge magnets to these beautiful canvases. These are also fridge magnets. Okay. Look at that. Yeah, right. Okay. And then she has these bhabhi rakhis. Look at that. Yeah, we also have more fridge magnets with quirky quotes written on that. Look at that. Some more rakhis. Beautiful. Some interesting thing that I want to share with all of you is, once you're done with using the Lumba Rakhi or the Rakhis, these are all fridge magnets, so you can use them as fridge magnets as well. Some resin art Rakhis as well. Some puja thalis. Look at that. Along with cute gifting items.
So next we have bags, handbags like this. If you want to carry something heavy in this.
These are perfect for your travel also.
Yeah.
And a lot of options in them.
Lot of options in colors also and sizes also.
Okay.
Something like
Look
this.
at that. Beautiful.
You can pair it with your saris or maybe any ethnic wear or something.
Lovely. पाउचेस में भी बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस, पैटर्न्स, वेराइटीज है उनके पास. लैपटॉप स्लीव्स भी हैं. लुक एट दैट. ब्यूटिफुल डिजाइंस. लवली. लुक एट दैट. वेरी प्रिटी. बैग्स में भी बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस, पैटर्न्स, डिजाइंस, कलर्स. लुक एट दैट. ब्यूटिफुल. Next up, we have some sari options. Yes, ma'am.
So this festive season, if you want something for saris like this, yellow color, something like this for your festive wear,
Okay.
something in bright,
Look
like
at that.
this,
Yeah.
and something for party wear also we have.
Lovely. Look at that. Ma'am, can we see more options as well?
Yeah, sure. I'll show. Something for your daily wear.
Okay. Look at that. So they have a lot of options.
Yeah, we have 500 plus options in saris.
Lovely.
have
Different
plain
materials. Lovely. Beautiful. Something in bright yellow with beautiful borders.
Yeah.
Lovely. Look at that.
Something in checkered if you want.
Wow. Lovely. Look at that. And yet again, let me show you all the patterns and designs that they have. Some cute options for kids Rakhi as well, and not just this one, but they have cute options. SpongeBob, Bugs Bunny. Look at all the options they have. They have Chota Bheem as well. Look at all that.
Pure silver rakhis also.
And then they have pure silver Rakhis. Look at the options.
Then something if you want like this, simple.
Simple Rakhi options as well.
Yeah, something in bright colors like this. Super Rakis भी है हमारे पास.
Okay, look at that. Look at all the options. Some more kids Rakhi.
And we have Lumba Rakis also like this.
Okay, some Lumba Rakhis as well.
Yeah, so the price range here starts at 30 rupees.
Okay, so the price range starts at 30 rupees. You have a full rack for kids. Look at that, beautiful. We have some semi-festive kurta sets. Look at all that with beautiful some khadi work, detailing, vibrant colors. They also have these in dupatta, so don't worry. Some more designs in semi-festives. Look at that, beautiful detailing. Something in sleeveless with prints. Look at that. Beautiful detailing on the sleeves. Something in cotton as well. Angarkha pattern. Look at that. Beautiful. So इस पर्टिकुलर स्टॉल पे आपको कान्हा जी के बहुत ही क्यूट पोशाक मिल जाएंगे. Look at that. We also have goggles also. Then they have a lot of options and varieties in पोशाक. Look at that. Different sizes भी आपको मिल जाएंगी with different color options, patterns from small to big. Look at all that.
It's also like this.
They also have umbrellas for him. Then such श्रृंगार के लिए जो यूज किया जाता है वो भी है. Cute basuris. Then they also have these
टॉयज है, कार है.
Look at that.
छोटा छोटा कार है. कान्हा पोशाक.
They also have this mukuट. Also the सिंहासन. So this entire stall पे आपको सारी चीजें मिल जाएंगी. Look at that.
Like mirror also.
Yes, very pretty. Okay. So this particular stall has Rakhis that are made from semi-precious gemstones. These are all related to different purposes. Like I'll show you. This one is for abundance. This is the 7 chakras for healing. So you have a lot of options. Meaningful Rakhis along with some bracelets. Look at that. Beautiful options. Very meaningful Rakhi options for your brother as well as your sister.